Hello everyone, this is Kritika here, and today I'm going to make a vase and a bookmark using the DT kit I got from Madras Bazaar. For this, the things I need are resin, which I have already mixed and kept, neon pigments that also I have mixed with some little resin, vase mold, a bookmark mold, some glitters, tinsel glitter from Madras Bazaar, jute sheet which I have cut in the shape of this bookmark, and some more glitters. First, I'm taking this bookmark mold and I'm going to pour a layer of resin that I already mixed. I spread the resin evenly all over the bookmark. Now I'm going to insert the pre-cut jute sheet into this. So after that I'm going to add a few embellishments and glitters. Some holographic glitter. So I have added the holographic glitters. So I'm going to add a little bit of this tinsel glitter. So once it's done, I'm going to allow it to dry completely. So next I'm going to take this vase mold and I'm going to pour plain resin. I'm adding few tinsel glitters to this neon pigments. So I'm just pouring the mixed neon pigment. So I have poured. I'm going to give just a push. I'm just going to finish it off with some plain resin. So I filled the mold completely with resin and I'm going to allow it to set and completely dry. So after 4 hours it's almost dry. I've mixed another batch of resin and going to do one more layer over it and finish it off. So I've domed it with another layer of resin, and now I'm going to allow it to dry for 24 hours. Let it set for 24 hours. So it is now completely dry. It's been set for more than a day. So now I'm going to demold it. The bookmark is ready. Now, so see the effects, neon colors. The base is ready. Thank you.